Hi guys, Al here. I am a blogger, a lifestyle influencer, and passionate yoga instructor here to give you the scoop about my current morning routine completely centered around better hair, skin, nails, and joint health. First and foremost, when I wake up every morning, I take a few deep belly breaths in bed before hopping out. I also refrain from checking email for about 30 minutes. After that, I hop in a super freezing cold shower, which has been proven to improve circulation and enhance skin vibrancy. Occasionally before showering, I'll dry brush to detoxify my skin, and post-shower, I always use some type of natural oil like coconut oil to reduce any additional dryness. The last thing I've been doing is drinking what I've dubbed as my beauty brew, which has been an absolute game changer in every aspect of my life. I'm a firm believer that what you put in your body in the morning sets precedence for the remainder of your day, and this healthful concoction certainly does the trick. I grind up my favorite local coffee beans. I have been loving this batch from Northern California lately, adding a natural sweetener of choice, a little oat or almond milk, and then for the final magic touch, 1 scoop of collagen protein powder. I recommend letting your coffee cool for a few minutes before mixing in your collagen so you can experience maximum benefits of this amazing health boost. Collagen is actually the most abundant protein in the human body, vital for the health of our hair, skin, nails, gut, and joints, just to name a few. As we get older, our body's ability to produce collagen decreases, which results in lackluster hair, brittle nails, and wrinkled skin. I don't know about y'all, but I am big on holistic wellness and healing the body from the inside out. You can try all of the shampoos and soaps in the world, but what it really comes down to is what's happening on the inside. Adding 1 scoop into my coffee is so simple and easy, and as a yoga teacher, I can truly feel the difference in my joints. Also, since incorporating collagen into my morning routine, my skin feels more soft and vibrant, and my hair and my nails are stronger than ever. And if I'm feeling extra sassy, I'll add an extra scoop into my morning smoothie just to get a double dose of the goods. Selfie-ready skin for days and years to come. In all seriousness, if you're looking to change the way you look and feel by natural means, adding collagen into your daily to-do is an absolute must. Thanks for watching today, fam, and just know that if you're here, you're already on your journey to health enlightenment, and I am right there alongside you. Take a chance on your health, you deserve it. Grab your collagen today, click the link below.